everyone. I'm just popping on with a short video that we're going to look at the language of fees, price, payment, etc. versus donation, contribution, and gift. When one doesn't incorporate and is not a nonprofit or charitable organization, can we charge fees or take money? The simple answer is yes, of course, especially in the faith-based and religious organization realm. We do not have to be a nonprofit or charitable organization to be a group of people that have the freedom to assemble and associate in our churches, ministries, and faith-based associations. The rub or the crux of the issue is to recognize that we hold a unique and special place as spiritual societies that the states and the statutes either don't know about or they don't understand, or maybe it is something a little more sinister. So let's not confuse the issue for them and for us and use words like, we will use words like donation, gift, or contribution for compensation rather than charging a fee. Now, in the past, healing and other services were often offered on a donation basis. So many ask, what about the term membership fee? We talk about this a lot. Well, the membership fee is consideration of entering into a private contract, and having a set membership fee is fine for an unincorporated ministry or a faith-based private association or private association. And that said, it's a fine line to walk to stay out of commerce and liability. So to be clear and stronger, if you like, call the membership fee a membership contribution. And do remember that on that landing page or the first page of your website that's public facing, you don't want to have commerce there. You don't want to have the price of your membership right there, or the price or fees of or suggested donation or anything that's got those dollar signs right there on that front facing page of your website. It's a click to join, and then there's the offer is made. So it's a consideration of entering into that private contract, offer and contract. So remember to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.